Pedal Magazine. We're at EuroBike, of course, and we're with Guru, and we have Robert Pinazza.
Hi.
Robert, how are you today?
Doing very well, thank you. Welcome to Germany and EuroBike. This is our first exhibition, so we're very excited to speak to your followers and also to the people in Europe. It's an eventful year. There have been many improvements and new product launches, two of which we've selected to unveil here at the show. What you're looking at is our Premio R disc version. So this is a titanium bike, and the titanium lineup this year has been revamped with some serious technological improvements. Our engineering team has worked very hard to come up with some brilliant ideas to bring some of the modern design attributes that consumers like in carbon bikes. We've tried to engineer and transpose those onto a titanium platform. So what's most noticeable in this particular bike this year is, first of all, it's a disc version. So this is our first disc specific titanium bike. We've had some good requests for it. It took us a good 6 to 8 months to materialize, but the exciting development is here. What we're looking at is a re-engineered rear triangle. The noticeable design innovation is the dropout, a dropout that we call open architecture dropout. What this essentially means is that you have a greater range of use via this new design dropout. So we've also managed to improve stiffness in the rear triangle. Coupled with our asymmetrical chainstays, you'll see this is 22 millimeters and that one is 25 millimeters. And couple that with some new bending technology, we've been able to improve tire clearance for use with a greater range of tires and a different spectrum of rims. But we've also managed, once again, to improve the rear triangle stiffness by 30%, all while addressing vertical compliance with the use of a new dynamic wishbone seat stay system. These are 12 millimeter seat stays, ensuring the plushest possible vertical characteristic in this frame. The new rear essentially contributes 23% greater drivetrain rigidity, while helping to improve the front triangle by about 16%. So torsionally speaking, the front triangle is stiffer by 16%. So 30%, 23%, 16% improvements in stiffness, all while lightening the frame and improving its vertical compliance. This is a modern engineering achievement on a traditional material like titanium.
When will this be coming out?
This will be ready in November for delivery. So we start making the new Premio Road Series as well with these new rears in October for delivery in November.
Great. Thank you much. And in Interbike, you're going to have a few other?
We have some other models coming out at Interbike. We have a new price point EuroBike called the CR401. We also have a fourth member in the Photon family on the road side called a Photon V4, which will extend the price points below what was possible with our handcrafted Canadian frames. We also have a disc version of the Photon R, which is pretty revolutionary as well. So something beautiful, something to look out for at Interbike. I'd like to bring your attention to the Photon HL as well. The Hyperlight, as we call it, was the lightest custom frame set available last year in the world. This year we've made some additional improvements to the lamination schedule, and also on the aesthetic side, the design of the head tube has migrated from a single 1.1 fork to a tapered 1.1 to 1.25. That's allowed us to improve stiffness and bring the weight down even further. We've optimized the weight of the dropout as well, and we managed to save some additional grams there. The end result is a bicycle that will weigh sub 650 grams for a 54, which is revolutionary. This will remain the lightest bike in the world next year, and is available made to measure, ordered through your dealer. Lead times are 4 to 5 weeks on bicycles like this.
Wow. Look forward to seeing that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.